If you are not sure what the difference between then and then is, then this lesson is for you. I'll show you how to use these two important English words correctly so that you can use them appropriately. Also, I will help you work on your pronunciation so that you can say these words correctly. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shivkanya. If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos. I'm sure you will find a lot to learn from these lessons. Let's start with today's lesson. Then and then are not the same words even though they look similar and they sound alike a little bit, but they are not. So let's start with the pronunciation. Look at this word THAN. This is pronounced as then, and the word THEN, which is pronounced as then. Once again, then, with a vowel sound a, then, and then, with a vowel sound a, then. You can pause the video and say these words. Now let's start with the word then. This is a conjunction and we use it to make comparisons. For example, she is taller than her brother. A mango is sweeter than an apple. Do you think that running is more beneficial than walking? Notice that then is usually used with an adjective like taller than, sweeter than, more beneficial than. Now there is another common comparison phrase in which then is used, that is rather than. For example, I'd rather ride than walk. I'd rather die than beg. The next usage. Then is also used in some fixed expressions and in common phrases. For example, I'd like to go home sooner than later. Or finding our way was easier said than done. Now here, sooner than later and easier than done, these are the fixed expressions. Sooner than later means soon without much delay. And easier said than done means easy to say but difficult to practice. You can pause the video and make sentences by using these fixed expressions and write them in the comment section. Now we are going to look at the word then. THEN, then. Then is a little more complicated than then because there are a few different words that you can use it. Let's see all of them one by one. First, then is used with time expressions. It means next in order or next in time or in place. But it can also mean soon afterwards. For example, she finished her work and then went to meet some friends. Here, the action of finishing work came first and next she went to meet her friends. So we are talking about the order of things. Another example, I was in the front, then Raju, then Sanju and then Rani. Here, Raju, Sanju, Rani were in the line. They were the next people in the order of the line. I was first, Raju was second, Sanju was third and Rani was fourth. The second usage of then. Then could also mean at the specific time. For example, I cannot meet you tomorrow morning. I will be at work then. It means at that time tomorrow I will be at work. Another example, we didn't have mobile phones back then. It means at that time in the past mobile phones didn't exist. The third usage of then can mean as a result of something and in addition to. Let's see how it is used to show as a result of something. If I don't pay my bill tomorrow, then they will charge me a fine. As a result of not paying my bill, I will get charged a fine. Now let's see how it is used in a sense of in addition to. You have to pay the registration fees and then you need to pay the monthly fees. So this is in addition to the registration fees, you need to pay the monthly fees as well. The fourth usage of then. Then is used to describe something existing at that time. For example, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, started Project Tiger. So here I am describing the person who was the Prime Minister at that time. She is not the Prime Minister now. She was the Prime Minister at a time in the past. Next usage of then. Then is used in some fixed expressions also. For example, eating out now and then is not healthy. I booked a ticket then and there. So, what are the fixed expressions here? Now and then and there. Now and then means time to time, and then and there means immediately. So you can pause the video and use these expressions in your own sentences and write them in the comment section. I hope the difference between than and then is clear. If you find my lesson useful, then please let me know by subscribing to the channel down here. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you again in the next lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning English with Shivkanya.